Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a new email account on Android. So for this purpose, first you need to open Gmail app on your mobile phone. Then at the top right corner, you have this profile button. Click on it. Once you click on it, then here you have the option of add another account. Tap on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you need to set up email. So I tap on Google. Once you tap on Google, then wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Then this type of page will pop up. Here you have the option of create account. Click on it. Once you tap on it, then this will pop up. Here you have two options. Choose one from them. So here I choose for my personal use. Once you tap on any of them, then this type of page will appear. Here you have two boxes, first name and surname. So here what you need to do, just enter the first name and then surname. Once you done this, then click on next button. Then this type of basic information page will pop up. Here what you need to do, enter day, month and year. Once you done this, then under this you have the option of gender. Click on it and choose one gender that you have. Once you done this, then click on next. Then from here you can choose your Gmail address which Gmail can create for you. Once you choose one from them, then here at the bottom right corner you have the button of next. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here what you need to do, just create a strong password for your Gmail account. Once you're done with this, then you have the button of next. Click on it. Then from this page you can review your account. Once you done this, then you have to tap on next button. Once you done this, then privacy and terms page will pop up on your screen. Here you need to scroll down and then click on I agree button. Once you click on I agree button, then this page will pop up on your screen. Here what you need to do, just wait for a few seconds. Then this page will appear. Here you can see your email account is created. So this is how you can create a new email account on Android. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.